Today we're going to try and fix this fuel gauge. It's no good running out of fuel. It only goes up halfway, usually when it's full. It's a nightmare. So today we're just going to fix them, hopefully. We need some wire, some heat shrink, a soldering iron, and a 10 volt resistor. So we'll get these all soldered and stuck in. Finger. You can see the resistor. I believe this one's the in, that one's an earth, and then the last one is a 10 volt out. So I'll get them all soldered together and show you what it looks like. What we also need to do on the fuel gauge for these ones is this little connector here. What I've done is, I've taped it up. I just put a bit of heat shrink over it so you can see it. Get it a bit closer. Just to cover the contact up. You don't need that no more. Well, it's all soldered together. I only had 2 ways. So this one's in, this middle one's an earth, and that one's a 10 volt out. I also need some crimps, some ring terminals, but I didn't have any. So I just got some flat ones to drill all in it. Does the job. We'll get it stuck back in the clocks. I shall be back with you. Go on the back of the clock. Oh, as you can see, this screw is your input. This screw is for the output, which the 10 volt goes to. I believe this one is the earth. I'll just put them in now and show you how it's done. So there we go. This one's your input, that one's your output, and that one's your earth. I'll show you on this one. From left to right is your input, earth, and then output. Some people put a heat shrink on it, but I haven't got one. I'll just screw it to the dash when I put it in. Screw it in one of these holes, or just hot glue it out the way somewhere. We'll stick it in, see if it works. Hopefully. Also, when you put these on, make sure they're not touching any other bit of the circuit board when you screw them down. Moment of truth. It was only showing 1/4 of a tank before. Let's see what it shows now. I think I call that a success. See if it goes down. There we go then. Perfect. So I'll tell if it works properly.